So welcome to the podcast, Vikram. So nice to finally have you, man.
Yes.
And we are recording the next episode of Out of the Hood with Hamza after such a long time, you know. And मेरा ये फंडा था कि भाई बहुत ज्ञान दे दिया अभी पॉडकास्ट में, अभी कुछ ऑन द ग्राउंड करते हैं. So that's why I thought what better than getting someone who's running a big brand, a Shark Tank brand. So to start with, I want you to just tell the people about Mavi's Kombucha. Tell them a little about yourself, your story. How did you get it till here? Yeah, you can go with that.
I think first thing we have to realize is that it is out of the hood, but we are still in Hamza's hood, by the way. है ना?
Cheers to that. Mavi's Kombucha, our official drink sponsor for this podcast.
No, but I'm Vikram, and I'm really excited to be here talking to Hamza. The first day I met Hamza, he seemed, or he looked at least, so beyond his age, है ना? I still look at him, I still feel that he's so, मुझे बच्चा टाइप लगता है कभी-कभी, but he's wise beyond his years, in any case, and he's not. But and he's very nice, respectful, so बात करने के लिए and all of that, it's nice to hang out with Hamza, although he's from the hood, है ना? Mavi's Kombucha का story is very simple. I was in merchant navy. I'm a marine engineer. और मेरे को खाने पीने का बहुत शौक था. अगर मेरे पापा मेरे को शेफ़ बनने से नहीं रोकते, है ना, तो मैं आज कहीं पक्का कुछ खाने का ही कुछ कर रहा होता, है ना. अभी भी मैं वही कर रहा हूँ. सो लाइफ गोज़ अराउंड इन सर्कल्स. माई डैड टोल्ड मी कि यार रेस्टोरेंट में लोग इतना फ़ाइट नहीं होता, मतलब बहुत फ़ाइट होता है, इतना कुछ लोग वेटर ही दिखते हैं मेरे को, तो मैं जहाँ भी 5 स्टार में जाता हूँ, तो प्रॉब्ली इट्स नॉट फॉर यू, आई डोंट थिंक इज़ द लाइफ ऑफ डिग्निटी एंड दैट एम्बिशन दैट यूर लुकिंग एट.
राइट.
सो देन आई सेड कि ठीक है मैं इंडियन नेवी में जाता हूँ. पापा ने बोला वो भी नहीं. सो आई एंडेड अप इन मर्चेंट नेवी. लॉन्ग स्टोरी शॉर्ट, मेट माई वाइफ, प्रॉमिस्ड हर कि हम लोग एक लॉन्ग हनीमून पे जाएंगे. और बीच में मैं जब आई वाज डेटिंग हर, तो मैं घर पे साडो ब्रेड ये वो काफ़ी कुछ बनाता रहता था. सो इट ऑल्सो यूज्ड टू बी हैपनिंग. फिर जब हम यूएस गए तो हमने बियर नहीं पीना है करके क्या पिए, alternative to alcohol.
Right.
What is it that we should do?
Right.
That led us to trying kombucha.
Okay, that was the first time.
That was the first time we ever. Yes.
Okay.
And I had been to 54 countries before that, 52 countries before that, but I never tried it. And I love eating out. I love trying the local cuisine. मैंने backpack किया था, but I never ever had kombucha.
Okay.
But when I went there and my friend gave it to me, I really honestly didn't like it. And that's why I'm okay with a lot of people when I go to the farmers market or an event, and when they say कि it's not nice, I'm like okay, अच्छी बात है, मतलब, because I was one of those guys.
Right.
But the moment I realized the number of health benefits associated with something fermented food, and kombucha of course, that's what sort of pulled me in, because I mean I fancy myself as a fitness buff, ठीक है ना, and I've always been into sports and gym and all of that. तो मेरे लिए वो important था. And then when I realized कि it's a great alternative to drinking alcohol, तो मैंने बोला it's the best thing, because there are a lot of times I feel we only drink because there is nothing else to do. Like orange juice is not going to cut it, and tea coffee is not the vibe. So what is it? So it leaves it with soda, cola or alcohol, right? So if you don't want to do soda, cola and alcohol, you have basically nothing. You sip on water and keep peeing, right? So that's what we thought कि अच्छा ये kombucha बनाते हैं, because again fast forward to Bombay, again beer पीना है या फिर क्या पीना है वाले ऑप्शन में we said कि चलो kombucha ही बनाते हैं और घर पे kombucha ही पीते हैं. So from US we got the culture, we started making it here, and then one thing led to another. Friends started liking it. They're like this is very different, why don't you sell it करके हम farmers market गए. As God would have it, we had about 40 odd bottles, Bira bottles recycled, and I've mentioned this 100 times, but this story never gets old for us, of course. एक पास के बार से we got some bottles of Bira, we cleaned them, we got the bottle लगाने वाला कैप लगाने वाला मशीन छोटा सा, it's about 5-6 grand I think का मशीन था. we got it, कैप वैप लाया, घर पे बनाया, मार्केट में गया, कोई लेबल नहीं, कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ वो जो वाइट वाले स्टिकर्स आते हैं जो उस पर लगे होते हैं, उस पर लिखा हाथ से ये क्या फलाना फलाना kombucha, and then we just went to the market and sold, and people really liked it. People bought
packaging and everything,
people bought without packaging, without proper packaging, without anything. First timers, we only had this like the most raw product that I can think of course, right? उसके बाद तो evolution चालू हो गया ना.
कोई जाते नहीं आज के टाइम पे, nobody starts there नहीं, सबको डर है भाई फाइनल प्रोडक्ट के साथ जाते हैं मस्त व्हील में, like go with a bang, but नहीं होता. Absolutely correct. तो the thing is that okay, like you know, from this podcast and everything they'll get to know more about kombucha, they'll get to know about the brand, but मेरा primarily the thing is that I try to get the listener to कुछ action steps लेने को अपने लाइफ में, कि जो भी हम लोग शेयर करते हैं उससे कुछ करना चाहिए. तो फ्रॉम द होल जर्नी फ्रॉम स्टार्ट टू एंड टू डूइंग दिस रन ऑफ यू नो इन द नॉर्मल पैकेजिंग या जो भी, टू नाउ एट द कंपनीज, राइट, फॉर समबडी हु इज मे बी लाइक एन 18-year-old कॉलेज गोइंग स्टूडेंट जिसको पास कोई भी बिजनेस आइडिया है, तो आप उसको क्या बोलोगे, लाइक टू व्हेन ही बिगिंस, व्हेन ही वांट्स टू गेट इनटू द जर्नी फ्रॉम डे वन, व्हाट शुड ही डू, लाइक वेयर डज ही स्टार्ट, बिकॉज वो प्रोक्रास्टिनेट करते जाता है कब कहाँ कैसे, यू नो, होता नहीं है.
तो दो चीज़ें देख, in today's world, either you're in the top 2-3% where your parents have the money,
right,
and you're financially secure, and it's easier to take a plunge and also fail, or you come from the rest 97% where means are not that easy, everything is hard to get and whatever.
Right.
Now in either case you need to remember another two things, कि यार although entrepreneurship is great, but it is not easy, right? And there is absolutely no fault in doing a 9 to 5 job, ठीक है, because 9 to 5 job has its own perks, security, Sundays off, weekends off, है ना, a vacation. If you don't go to the office and your boss tells you to, you know, not come to the office tomorrow, big deal, you will find another thing. But with business, it is like a baby. Once you have it, there is no going back.
You have to turn up every day 24/7, you have to be available.
You have to be there 24/7. I reply to clients at 11 in the night because somebody sends in a query and my wife says, क्या तुम रात को 11 बजे किसी को मैसेज कर रहे हो? मतलब उसका मैसेज आया मेरे को, कोई इंक्वायरी कर रहा है तो जवाब तो देना पड़ेगा ना. कल सुबह तक किसी और से खरीद लिया तो, you know, that used to be the space, not anymore, है ना. I mean not 100% there, but yeah, we are trying. But like that used to be the space कि नहीं यार कोई भी आ रहा है, everyone is important. Even today everyone is important. But I don't. I keep my phones at 11 o'clock. My office phone and everything is not with me at 9, after 9 o'clock, 7 o'clock. It's not with me,
Right.
unless or whatever. You know, I'm looking at it.
Right.
So those are the things. But to begin, you have to remember that failure is a part of success.
Okay.
है ना? If you don't fail, that means you're not risking enough, or you're not doing something correct. ठीक है? मतलब the most incredible discoveries and inventions did not happen in first try, right? People failed miserably. Thomas Edison failed, for example, thousands of times and whatever, and everyone fails. People died in the pursuit. Imagine the things that we take for granted. Fire, how many people must have died with fire, or how many people must have died from those things that we eat are now edible because you have to process them a certain way and they become edible. How many? So it's a part of success. So don't be afraid to fail.
Okay.
That is one.
That's number one.
Two, don't hurry up. Don't just think because something is cool for someone else, it's cool for you. You find your own cool, because in life it doesn't matter. People you think are cool, they don't really care who.
सोलना का जर्नी है, सबका अलग अलग रहता है, रिसोर्सेज अलग रहता है, तो कैन never compare.
Like I said, if at 18 when I told my dad that I want to be like a chef, and he had said okay, my life would have been very different. But I went to Merchant Navy, and then I did 52 countries. I met so many friends. I learned so much from different cuisines, different cultures and everything. My ability to talk with multiple nationalities, different cultures, came from the fact that I was there. And I think that there are no wrong turns in life, so take life as it comes. Do not wait for things to happen at the same time. You have to keep trying. But the idea is, so again, now this sound contrary to each other, but it's not like that. You take life as it comes. You keep swimming, even if the current is against you.
Yes.
You don't leave and drown. You keep fighting. Maybe you will make, instead of 5 kilometers an hour, you may be swimming at only 1 kilometer an hour. But after 5 hours you will be there, no? The guy who did one hour and
कंपाउंडिंग कंसिस्टेंसी जिसको बोलते हैं, वो तो पे ऑफ कर ही लेता है कभी.
the key. Consistency, perseverance is the key. Also, to know your limits and boundaries is very important. A lot of businesses fail because people don't realize when to walk away. Relationships fail because people don't know when to walk away.
Very true.
People get married because they think just not get married, they invest in relationships because like अब यहाँ तक आ गए यार, we've been together for say 15 years, let's just like this is the only logical step. No, No. It could have been after the first year, or it could be after 25 years. Just because you're at a certain point and you don't know where to go doesn't mean that you take the next step, which is which you're not confident about. Take it, and it's only one life. You're allowed to fail as many times as you want. You're allowed to resurrect yourself as many times you're allowed to reinvent yourself as many times as you want. People who matter don't mind, and people who mind should not matter.
Good one.
And in that sense, when you're doing something new, experimenting, and if you're failing, it's perfectly all right. People who are standing by you will keep standing by you. In fact, your friends are the best people who will criticize you. You bounce off ideas. So see, success is not one person, Hamza. If someone at 18-year-old has an idea, अकेला चना भाड़ नहीं फोड़ता, हिंदी में कहावत है. A single chana, single grain or single chickpea not going to break the whole furnace.
Okay.
You need a bunch of them together to make this. But ऐसा नहीं है कि effort नहीं लगा सकता, है ना? But it is difficult. So if you have the right circumstances around you, everybody has a different journey. If I tell somebody go join Merchant Navy, earn the money, then come back and start your business, that's one way of doing things. And yes, it works for a lot of people, right? If I tell you कि okay, you go abroad and that's about it, वहाँ जाओ और वहाँ पे कर, that's also another way of doing it things. You know, or take your dad's money or take a loan. There are different ways of going about things. But to an 18-year-old, remember the only thing is, don't be afraid to fail.
Okay, so you said two things. One, pehla cheez tha, don't be afraid to fail, and second was knowing when to walk away.
When to walk away is very important, because if you do something at 18-year-old, say it didn't work, you don't dishearten, because you've got another 60, 70, 80 years ahead of you to correct that mistake and do something new completely together, right? It's never too late. People start their businesses in 60s and 70s. Yeah, what's the big deal? I can show you Shark Tank pe Patil Kaki, for example, or so many women in their 60s.
Right.
Are starting some.
They're finding their business passion now in life, and then they're going for.
Too busy with the family, this, that, and everything. Never had someone. All of a sudden, a grandchild comes and starts supporting. Kya dadi karti hai, dadi ka help karte hain. They set you up a small website and they put your product for nice photo. They take from iPhone or whatever and they put online. All of a sudden, you get traction, and then before you know it, it's blown up, right? How reels go viral, right? Out of all that 100 reels you make, one goes viral. You know, it's just those things. So, you know, there has to be a combination of luck and hard work.
Got it. The second thing that I wanted to sort of throw light on is because from my personal experience, seeing you at the pop-up, seeing you selling. So one observation that I had, which was at the flea market when we met. So something that I've not actively ever learned in my life, and that it's my top priority right now, is sales. वो आई फील लाइक कोई भी एंटरप्रेन्योर के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, आप कोई भी बिजनेस सर्विस में रहो. सो यू नो देयर वाज दिस वन सिचुएशन जहाँ पे आई सॉ यू एट द स्टॉल, यू नो, ओपनिंग द बॉटल, सर्विंग द kombucha. A person a few meters away also who's just walking past, right? And you call him out and you like, come try kombucha, have you? They come, they try it, you don't like it, you give them a good explanation so that they are like acceptable. चलो अभी नहीं हुआ तो होगा बाद में, build होगा flavor. And you always, you know, talk about that कि पहले you made this also drink you didn't like. I think you give that example for, I think, wine or beer or something. Is there some drink where you say that, you know, if the first time you tried आपको ये भी अच्छा नहीं लगा होगा, right? और आपने develop किया taste.
Black coffee,
exactly,
green tea,
exactly,
huh? Or even for that matter, beer. When I was a kid at 4-year-old, my dad was drinking beer and I was like, ये क्या पी रहे हो आप? And he's like, कि surprisingly enough, now that I think, he said कि हाँ पी के देख, because he was so sure that I'm not gonna like it, right? Okay. It would have backfired if I had said कि अरे तो बहुत सारी चीजें, I want the whole bloody thing, right? But you know, I tried it and I didn't like it. Okay. And today, if somebody says कि I don't think twice before saying yes or no. The only reason I would not have a good beer is because it's too cold, or maybe I'm drinking, or I'm driving or something, or whatever, I'm off alcohol, right, or something.
So what I'm trying to say is basically when it comes to your selling now, you're shameless in the good way, which I love to see about you. तो मुझे क्या, I want to ask you that वो develop करने ना, to remove that embarrassment that people have when it comes to selling, कि भाई इसको नहीं अच्छा लगा, क्या बोलेगा, criticize करेगा, बहुत होता है दिमाग में, it's going on. How do they build on that selling skill? How does an entrepreneur work on that?
Yeah, honestly, I personally feel कि I got it from my papa.
Okay.
ठीक है, my dad's a salesman, and he's been that all his life. He's served in the major senior positions in the companies, but he's always been the sales guy.
अच्छा.
मैं वैसे भी extrovert हूँ तो मेरे लिए it comes easy, but the thing is, the moment you realize by this is your bread and butter, right? And either you make it or you break it. घर पे बैठो. So my wife, for example, Meenakshi, now when we used to do farmers market, she does not do that. She will not call you. If you come, she will give you all the explanation, she'll give you the tasters, but if you don't like it, she will not ask you, अरे रुको यार एक और ट्राई करके जाओ, ये नहीं अच्छा लगेगा फिर बात. She will never do that. So she'll be like, because उसको लगता है अरे you know her it's not ego, it's just pride, it's not ego, it's pride कि अरे यार shit उसको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, मतलब मैं marriage life I can't push somebody, है ना, and let me not intrude in their space. और मेरा ऐसा है कि I'm standing in a market, I've paid 3, 4, 5, 20, 30 grand depending on where I am, I've paid for it. Now if I stand here and watch people walk by, मेरा पैसा तो जा ही रहा है और मेरा टाइम भी जा रहा है और मेरा प्रोडक्ट जो रखा है बेचने के लिए वो भी खराब हो रहा है. सो द ओनली वे टू डू इट राइट इज दैट आई गो अराउंड एंड अटैक इट. ठीक है ना. एंड आई रियलाइज दैट व्हेन आई गो टू फार्मर्स मार्केट्स आई डू वेल. अगर मेरा सेल नहीं हुआ ना तो तू भूल जा. अगर मेरा सेल नहीं हो रहा है ना तो बाकी का सेल कैसा हो रहेगा मेरे को नहीं पता होता. मैं तो ये इट्स लाइक इफ़ यू वांट टू जज अ कंट्रीज इकोनॉमी यू फाइंड आउट कि बियर और बर्गर का कॉस्ट क्या है ना, मैकडॉनल्ड्स का कॉस्ट क्या है. वैसे अगर मेरे मार्केट में अगर मेरे स्टॉल पे जनता नहीं है तो किधर जनता है मेरे को नहीं पता है. अब ऐसा नहीं हमेशा, बट 90-95% ऑफ द टाइम दैट्स व्हाट आई होल्ड इट ट्रू टू. भाई मैंने नहीं बेचा, जबकि मैं फ्री खूब सैम्पलिंग करवाता हूँ. आई टॉक टू पीपल, आई गिव देम इनफ एक्सप्लेनेशन, आई गिव देम इनफ सैम्पल्स. उसके बाद भी नहीं सेल हो रहा है, इसका मतलब देयर इज समथिंग, आइदर वी आर इन द रॉन्ग प्लेस. ठीक है, आइदर वी आर इन द प्रोडक्ट तो ठीक है क्योंकि हम बेच रहे हैं ऑलरेडी. इनिशियली तो हो सकता है प्रोडक्ट अच्छा नहीं, अभी तो हम बेच रहे हैं, तो इसका मतलब दिस इज़ नॉट माई क्राउड. दैट्स दी ओनली थिंग आई कैन ड्रॉ इन्फरेंस एट, है ना. अब जैसे मैं बताता हूँ, मैंने एक ये विमेन इंडियन मर्केंटाइल चेंबर है IMC, उनका विमेंस विंग है, उसका एक इवेंट होता है. इट्स अ ह्यूज इवेंट एंड वी वर नेक्स्ट टू अ चीज़ ब्रांड, चीज़ बेकरी ब्रांड. वी वर देयर एंड देन डोम में था. एंड आई नो दैट द नेक्स्ट स्टॉल दे हैड 2000 रुपीज़ का गड्डी एट द एंड ऑफ द डे.
ओके.
आई कुड नॉट इवन कवर माई स्टॉल कॉस्ट, है ना. बट आई रियलाइज आई वॉज इन अ रॉन्ग क्राउड. These were women are my primary clientele though, but these women were Gujaratis, Marwadis, you know, in their 40s and 50s, probably all of them. So they did not, the product was not a match for that.
Was it like the taste factor according to you? Yeah.
Taste factor also because I'm talking.
They are not.
4 years ago.
That's what.
Kombucha was also rather new.
Right.
It was majorly the crowd was not a mixed crowd. It was a very women's
Got it.
event.
Yes.
It was a very fashion था, boutique था, jewelry था और साथ में.
They come with that mindset, क्या लेना है क्या नहीं.
Bread बिकता है, cheese बिकता है, शहद बिकता है, desserts बिकते हैं. But kombucha is not the same. It's like putting a beer stall there. Beer would have not sold there. Right. Even if you sold, because that's not the crowd. So that's not my crowd. If I go to Little Flea for example, I do really well. Okay. Because Little Flea में there's a mix of crowd. There are 50,000 people, and I don't have to sell to 50,000.
And kombucha is fun. Like I find that up too much about the product. It's fun to sell it. Like it's fun to try it out. You know.
Plus you can talk about it. अभी तो Pepsi के बारे में क्या बोलेगा किसी?
हाँ वही exactly.
If somebody came to you and you wanted to sell them a Pepsi, if they didn't like it, they will not buy it. Right. If they wanted it, they would just take it. There's no selling happens. Absolutely. Right? Whereas with this, you can actually talk to a customer, and the biggest thrill is when you convert a customer, no?
हाँ.
And then they say कि वो मुझे तो कभी अच्छा नहीं लगता था. So personally I feel I have a 90-95% conversion rate from people who don't like kombucha because they had bad kombucha.
That's a very big deal.
To people who are like, okay, this is not bad at all. I can actually drink it, right?
Changing consumer behavior in today's time is very difficult.
It is. And the thing is, that is why we've done about 750 events. So again, coming back to your question, how does somebody build it? See, a lot of it is innate. Okay. You're born with it or whatever. Or practice makes a man perfect. You have to drop that shame wala, ego wala funda. Who are you worried about? Yeah. Do these people know you? Will they come home and tell your dad, Sharma ji, आपके बेटे ने आज तो बहुत जबरदस्ती kombucha पिला दिया?
हाँ, exactly. I think that's a mindset.
अरे यार आप ये क्या बोलते हैं ये? अरे आज आपका बेटा मिल गया था हमजा, उसने मेरे को जबरदस्ती आज अपना प्रोडक्ट चिपका दिया. घर आके बोलने वाला है? बिल्कुल भी नहीं. फिर क्या फर्क पड़ता है? उसको चिपका दे, खुद नहीं खाएगा, कोई तो खाएगा घर में. उसको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. चल एक जना बोलेगा, 10 में से तेरे को 2 कस्टमर चाहिए. पहले 1000 का क्राउड है, तेरे को सिर्फ 10 कस्टमर पकड़ने हैं. 1% कन्वर्जन रेट, ठीक है. उसमें से तेरे को 5 कस्टमर ऐसे अगर मिल गए या 2 कस्टमर ऐसे मिल गए जो रेगुलर बन गए तेरे,
हाँ,
तो बस दैट्स इट,
वो लाइफ टाइम वैल्यू, फिर
वो लाइफ टाइम वैल्यू आ जाएगा। और खैर ये तो 1000 में से 10 तो बहुत कम नंबर होता है। यू वुड हैव टू एम एट अराउंड 10 to 20% इज़ अ गुड रेशो। अगर तूने 200-500 लोग आए और तूने 20-50 लोग पकड़ लिए, उसमें से 2-5 लोग कस्टमर रेगुलर हो गए, इवन 2-4 महीने में भी एक बार ऑर्डर करने लग गए, लाइक दैट्स माई प्रोडक्ट। बट से इफ़ यू सोल्ड समथिंग एल्स, से अ मैट्रेस, है ना, योर ब्रांड गेम विल बी डिफरेंट, योर कम्युनिकेशन विल बी डिफरेंट, योर सेल्स पिच वुड बी डिफरेंट। I come from a product where you have to sell it right there and then. If they buy it today, they will buy it, है ना,
वरना नहीं।
A mattress brand I have seen on my phone, and I think if I want to buy the mattress, I'll definitely go and check out their website, and I'll think यार कौन सा वाला था, but I'm not going to buy it there and then. It's not an impulse decision कि मैंने अभी ले लिया, है ना।
Yep. Okay.
So with these things, it's a small thing. You have to be able to sell it right there and then.
So like, do you have a system that you follow? Like I don't know where I saw it, but like for example, बहुत सारे ऐसे sales gurus हैं ना, they break down the whole process of selling a particular product. कि भाई this is your opening line, you know. Lot of them have a system that they put into place. आपका कोई ऐसे system है, then you're like भाई judgment करके जाते हो कि कैसा है customer और ऐसे बात करते हो.
Right.
Do you think it's
So we've tried, है ना, बट क्या होता है कि एक तो हम because I do it most of the times for my own brand, I'm the face of the brand at most time, तो I think वो अपने आप धीरे धीरे आने लग जाता है। Even if you wake me up at the middle of the night and ask me कि kombucha, तो मैं तेरे को वही 2-4-6 keywords अपने आप निकल जाएंगे, है ना, आगे ऑर्डर में थोड़ा आगे पीछे। बट यूजुअली so we realized that asking someone have you tried a kombucha, है ना, is a better question than saying would you like to try a kombucha. Would you like to try a kombucha usually draws a response no, say no, है ना, so there's no coming back from it. You can't ask them,
you can't lead them anywhere.
you can't lead them anywhere. But if I ask them have you ever tried a kombucha, if they say yes, I'm like perfect, why don't you try some?
Yes,
right, and if they've never tried a kombucha, I'm like
opportunity
I'm
to get them.
yes, then I some like really you've never tried a kombucha, you're in good hands today.
Yes.
You are in good hands today because today you're gonna have the best kombucha there is. If you had to lose your virginity to a kombucha, this would be
This
it.
line also I've heard.
Right?
Sicko.
So
yes,
yeah.
yes.
So because then all of a sudden you've already broken the ice by saying something like this. It's
Yeah.
also cool maybe at times.
Yeah.
Also you have to figure out who you're talking
Who
to.
you're talking
If I say the whole virginity thing to somebody who's maybe a 40-year-old or 50-year-old or maybe a little
हाँ,
older
शायद से
somebody,
काम ना
they may
करें,
not
हाँ,
like it. But a younger crowd, it becomes funny, ha ha ha, right?
Yeah.
And that it might be tacky, but it works.
For sure.
Right?
For sure.
Once you know it's tacky, it's not tacky anymore. Only when you don't know it's tacky, it becomes tacky.
Correct. Okay. तो सेल्स का हो गया। अभी मेन जो चीज़ है विच विल ऑल्सो ब्रिंग अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल टू दिस पॉडकास्ट इज़ योर शार्क टैंक अपीयरेंस। तो थोड़ा उसका बैक स्टोरी थोड़ा बताइए, कैसे हुआ, क्या हुआ, हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस?
So I think Shark Tank is the only time we've actually pitched ever in life.
Okay.
When Shark Tank was happening, we had seen a few episodes of Shark Tank on television. There was one brand which was selling kombucha in season 7, I think, first episode or something in US. So our friend had told us, oh, you know, US Shark Tank में there was a kombucha brand and all that. So when this whole we were watching Sony Live and we saw the ad, and I was like, यार ये तो इंडिया में भी हो रहा है, we should apply for it. Apply आया, तो मैंने apply कर दिया. And it was very basic 5-10 questions, I can't remember now. फिर जैसे ही वो भेजा, 1-2 दिन बाद उसका रिप्लाई आया, they wanted a longer thing. तो मैंने बोला वो shit is getting real. So I asked my wife, I said, babe, we have to do this. बोली no, we can't do this. And I advise you should also not do this. I'm like, but why? बोली one, you're a very small business. You really don't exist in business. You're not a business, you're a mom and pop shop.
Right.
Don't go there. Do you have the numbers? Do you have these questions? She became all critical on me.
Okay.
So I'm like, okay, relax. See, the only thing is, if we don't do it now, we may not get a second chance. Because this is an opportunity a lot of people will want to jump on.
Right.
And we are in the space. We don't know what we're going to do next year. What are we doing next year? I don't know where the future holds for us. COVID था, कुछ था. Let's just give it a shot. हुआ तो हुआ, नहीं हुआ तो कोई बात नहीं.
हाँ.
She's like, मैं तो नहीं जाऊँगी. She clearly refused. I said, देखते हैं.
हाँ.
So I filled the second one also.
Okay.
I filled the whole form, this, that, and everything. There was a 3-minute video that I had to make. I spent the whole day in front of the camera trying to get the video right.
Oh, it's only you in that video.
Just me telling about my pitch, 3-minute pitch.
Okay.
So I had one room, AC चलाया, fan वैन सब बंद, camera अपना phone लगाया, had a stand and all that. एंड देन मैंने वो ब्लैक कलर के विनाइल्स आते हैं मैंने पूरे कमरे में चिपका दिए एंड आई रोट माई होल दिस थिंग. आई डिडंट नो अबाउट टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर. I didn't realize. Yeah, because we saw, but I never realized कि phone पे भी होता है.
वो जुगाड़ तो we get it innately.
Right.
के
So
easiest.
After I did all this, my wife told me, why didn't you use a teleprompter? I'm like, thank you. She was out all day, by the way. So training. She's a dog trainer. So she was out all day. शाम को आई 6 बजे. That was the last day for submitting that application. मैं सुबह 10 बजे से नहा धो के तैयार होके और मैं कमरे में इधर से उधर बना रहा हूँ. मैंने पूरा का पूरा इंग्लिश में बनाया. मेरे को 4-5 घंटे लग गए. फाइनली टू गेट इट एग्जैक्टली अंडर 3 minutes. इट हैज़ टू बी 3 minutes. मेरे को लगा छोटा बनाऊंगा तो ऐसा नहीं हो कि बहुत छोटा बना दिया. फिर मुझे याद आया कि शिट इट हैड टू बी इन हिंदी बिकॉज इट स्पेसिफिकली मेंशन टू हिंदी. फिर मैंने वो पूरा का पूरा हिंदी में शूट किया, पूरा कन्वर्ट करा. अब वो पूरा फ्लो दोबारा आना चाहिए, पूरा वीडियो एक इसमें रिकॉर्ड होना चाहिए, वो करके क्योंकि कुछ एडिट नहीं कर सकते थे. मैंने पूरा रिकॉर्ड किया. शाम को हमने उसको करके एंड देन फाइनली वी रैप्ड इट अप एट अराउंड 8 in the evening. आई गेव इट एंड देन आई वेंट टू हाउस पार्टी फ्रेंड के घर पे बाजू में. दैट वाज इट. फिर बीवी ने तो बोल दिया मैं बिल्कुल नहीं जाने वाली, तुम्हारा सिलेक्शन हो नहीं हो, यू आर द फेस ऑफ द ब्रांड, यू डू इट, यू बी हैप्पी, आई एम नॉट इन्वॉल्व. आई एम लाइक सब कुछ. आई गेव हर साम दाम दंड भेद. आई समझाया मैंने उसको. फिर मैंने उसको बोला देखो अगर ये कर देंगे ना, अगर हमको फंडिंग मिल गई तो अपन वेकेशन जाके आएंगे, है ना, सेलिब्रेट करके आएंगे. फिर मैंने उसको डराया, मैंने देखो तुम नहीं करोगी ना, और अगर मेरा नहीं हुआ बिकॉज यू वर नॉट पार्टिसिपेटिंग सो आई विल नॉट फॉरगिव यू. आई ट्राइड एवरीथिंग दैट आई कुड इन द बुक, यू नो. Anyways, with a spouse you hold very little power in the end of it, ठीक है. But I tried everything. Then she.
Yes, sorry about that small technical glitch. So yes, you were talking about your wife and Shark Tank.
My wife and Shark Tank. My wife is the shark. I was not afraid of the. I was not afraid of the sharks in the tank. Sharks, I was afraid with the shark with me.
Yes. So how did that go for you?
Then I said, so basically, after I told her multiple times, I convinced her. Everyone said then that you know your couple story would look really nice, and you guys have worked so hard at it. You both should definitely go. I convinced her, and then we ended up going to this thing. हमको पता नहीं था कि हमारा शूट कब है.
Okay.
और हमारा बिजनेस तो जो चल रहा था. हमने ज़िंदगी में कोई पिच किया नहीं. पहली बार हमने ज़िंदगी में नंबर्स देखे कि हम क्या बेचते हैं, कितने का बेचते हैं, लास्ट मंथ सेल क्या था, उसके लास्ट मंथ सेल क्या था, कितना क्या ज़्यादा बिकता है हमारा. अभी भी हम लोग वी आर स्टिल ट्राइंग नाउ आफ्टर 1.5 years वी आर स्टिल ट्राइंग टू फिगर इट आउट व्हाट एक्चुअली वर्क. बट इफ इट वाजंट फॉर शार्क टैंक वी वुड हैव नेवर लुक्ड एट इट. सो एनीवेज फिर वो हुआ. देन वी वेंट टू दिस 5-day सीक्रेट. They hole you up in one place and they prepare you for the whole pitch and everything. They ask you for your pitch, they will make corrections. So one thing people have to remember about Shark Tank is it's a TV show. दिल पे लेने का नहीं. It's a TV show. People are doing it because there is TRP involved.
Correct.
ठीक है ना. If somebody was to run naked across the floor, they would definitely include it whether it made sense or not because it's TRP. ठीक है ना. I mean I'm just exaggerating, but you get the point. But anyways तो हम वहाँ गए, फिर हमने पिच प्रिपेयर किया और तभी मुझे ज़िंदगी में पहली बार रियलाइज़ हुआ कि मैं कितना मोटा हो गया हूँ. मेरे को कपड़े नहीं आ रहे थे. There was not a single suit in my whole wardrobe that would fit me. 3-4 nothing was fitting me. I had to literally hold my breath as I was wearing the suit. Because it was such a short time. We thought हाँ ठीक है. And then we gave them some dress options and they're like ये पहनो. So to the both of us. Like I was literally holding my breath while I was sitting down and like this. ये जोर से सांस ले लिया तो कहीं पैंट ना बटन ना टूट जाए. That was it. We didn't even have time to correct anything. So last minute था. खैर वो सब किया, बाल वाल सब रेडी वेडी, मेकअप दादा सब रेडी. अंदर गए, पिच किया. 45-minute pitch. Our pitch was cut short by, I mean 70% of our pitch was never even shown.
Okay.
Right? So 45 minutes of shooting was condensed into 14 minutes. And they use the content as they deem fit. You have no say in it. They say that it's a Shark Tank, you're meeting the sharks for the first time. But come on Hamza, who invests in a business at the last thing? I mean of course there is due diligence later and whatever. But हम तो यही खुश थे that we went there.
Right.
Only later we realized after the episodes were being aired, we realized that 62,000 people had applied for it.
Wow.
I don't know how many kombucha or fermented food brands had applied for it, but we were just lucky. I was like, and only 198 made into it, and about 156 or 158 were actually aired on TV. बाकी तो रह ही गए. I know so many of them who were like not aired, right? The part of the group because they did shooting and everything. So that happens. So that was the journey. Then after the Shark Tank, ऑफ कोर्स वो काफ़ी ड्रामेटिक लगता है टीवी पर, एंड देन वी डिडंट गेट फंडिंग, बट वी न्यू वी माइट नॉट, because the product is niche, is still growing. But I was happy that, you know, even just us being there must have given confidence to how many new brands to be out there.
How did it work for you, like on your sales, like how they show के air होता है immediately sales
Right, होता है. So there were a bunch of things that we goofed up, and I keep telling people who are going on Shark Tank now. One, if you are sure that you are shooting for Shark Tank, make sure your website is ready. And you're doing Google ads around that time.
Okay.
Because when people start searching kombucha, they
ऐसा
would
नहीं
get
होना
all
चाहिए.
the other brands
Right,
except us,
right.
because we were not ready.
Correct.
आज तक भी we are underwork, honestly. We could have done so much better. There is a momentary spike from Shark Tank. In case of product like ours, it's a very new product. So novelty के चक्कर में लोग खरीद लेते हैं, and then they may or may not like it, right? Which usually, because it's not a mass product at the moment, so it is a little tough. And but say for an achar or say a pillow, these things could make a lot of sense because you use it on a daily basis, and you understand them better, so that it makes a lot more sense then, right? तो वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा गैप था, so boost हुआ immediately, but then it didn't take us anywhere. What it actually did for us, Shark Tank, was open doors, give us credibility in the sense कि यार अरे इन लोग को तो मैंने देखा है, right? Instead of someone की पता नहीं यार कौन सा ब्रांड है, पता नहीं कहाँ से आए हैं, everybody
शार्क
knew.
टैंक इंडियन पब्लिक स्पेशली शार्क टैंक पे आया तो कुछ प्रूफ ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट होगा, कुछ तो किया है
कुछ
ब्रांड
तो
ने वहाँ
किया
पे
है,
पहुँचने
कुछ
के
तो
लिए.
मेहनत किया है.
और 62,000 आप बोल रहे हैं ना एप्लीकेशन,
62,000
उसमें से 150 में शॉर्टलिस्ट होना नॉट अ स्मॉल डील. Yeah,
So
of
that
course.
was what gave us confidence. We kept working on it. Few things that really worked for us, बाकी लोग का पता नहीं. One, it told us to look inwards
ओके
and see what we are doing right or wrong.
Right.
That was one. Second thing that it told us was that we needed some major, not just in terms of numbers, but we needed to do more sales.
Okay.
Yeah. But it also told us that everyone on the panel, they were not investing in us not because they didn't like the product. They liked the product. They didn't invest in it because they thought it was really new for the market. We are ahead of our time, which is a good thing if you look at it, because if you're ahead of the time, that means you're already doing something that people, you're futuristic, right? But again, if you are not ahead of the time, then you have to compete with 10, 20 other brands. Now, people who are our competition, you know, पहले हमारे 2 competition थे, 3 competition थे when we started.
Yeah.
Now you have 20, 30 brands, local brands, and everyone's selling something. People with more money, people with more network, people who have the muscle, you know, in the business, they are of course do better.
Of course.
But again, the first question: persistence and perseverance. Talent, experience beats talent. Every day, day, night, every day, experience will beat talent.
Yes.
And that's where we stand. Today you go to somebody and you tell them कि यार ये kombucha है, they will tell you हाँ kombucha में sugar नहीं होता है, ये होता है, वो होता है. मेरे को पूछो. I can talk all day about kombucha. I can tell you everything about kombucha. That is probably like scientifically जितना किसी के लिए भी sufficient है ना, उससे ज़्यादा मेरे को पता है. बहुत साइंस में घुस जाएंगे तो यार I am not a microbiologist, I am not a zoologist, I am a food and beverage manufacturer with a panache for science and panache for food. ठीक है ना? So that's what I deal in. If you have a question, sugar कितना है, क्यों होता है, I'm a man of science. I'll explain all of that to you. है ना? Why is something happening? I can rationalize it for you. If you want a certain product a certain way, I can help you with that. I'm not a nutritionist. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a therapist. I'm not all of those things. I am a guy who loves food and who also wants to be healthy, and that's where my product comes from. That's
yeah,
my
100%.
story.
And also talking about the experience factor, like एक founder for a particular brand who's so passionate about a product, vision भी है, you know, and who turns up at work, like at the stall selling or on the sales calls, right? If somebody is there 100%, like I think that brand there's a big growth opportunity that will come your way. तो फिलहाल तो you know, this first episode we've covered quite a lot, जितना सोचा था उससे ज़्यादा. and this calls for maybe 1, 2, 3 more episode, who knows. But before we end, quick call to action for the people listening and introducing them to kombucha. Where can they grab Mavi's kombuchas from, all the other options that you have in your of all your SKUs, and where do they find you, like where do your pop-ups and all happen? Just tell them a little bit about that.
So you can definitely go to our website and www.mavispantry.com, where you can buy that. Amazon is again a easy search for most people. If you search Mavi's, you should be able to find our product. Other than that, we are available in all Nature's Basket, Adresh, Dorabji's, Food Junction in Pune, stores here, local stores here and there. Otherwise, we are just a WhatsApp away, 7777048983. And we customize, because as a small brand we have the luxury to customize, so you can find, if you have questions, and I think that's the most important thing, to be able to answer questions correctly so that you feel confident about buying a product. And if you have a challenge with an existing product that you bought from us or you bought from someone else, I'm more than happy to answer those questions for you, to sort of make you feel, come on man, it's totally worth it. Like I know, like I said on Shark Tank, my dad probably thinks 100 times before spending 200 rupees on something that he's going to finish in the next 5 minutes, right? So that's perfectly okay. So I understand that if somebody has questions and reservations, they should be answered. But I must say that people should try the beverage, see what it is, right? And just enjoy it, like everything else, because it's just healthier and more natural and everything. Not all kombuchas are, but at least that's what we are trying to do in our case.
Yeah, it's got a fab taste. Like I'm a fan after trying all of them, and I never thought I would drink kombucha, because I'm putting this out there, I think for the first time. I have a few friends who've done work in this space, who made drinks, and I didn't ever buy it because I was like, no, I don't like it. Like, taste bhi kyun karu, try bhi kyun karu, and it was the first time that I tried, and I love the taste, and my family loves the taste. They're going to be watching this for sure, so that also they love. The next pop-up, where are you at?
So we're going to be at this Sunday. Usually we do we're based out of Bombay, so Bombay कुछ ना कुछ होता रहता है. The next one, it's going to be happening at Demont Park in Bandra this Sunday and every Sunday from there on. At least let's see till the monsoon sort of really hits us big. Meanwhile, anybody who has questions, not just about kombucha but about entrepreneurship or something, or who just wants to try kombucha, swing by, and again, the very first question that you asked me about young people doing something,
right?
You have to let go of the fear of what will people say. मैं अपने पापा को ये बोला था कि पापा चिंता मत करो, IIT में नहीं हुआ ना, है ना, अपन चाय बेचेंगे ना, तो अपन सबसे अच्छी चाय बेचेंगे. अगर जूते ठीक करेंगे ना, तो हम लोग सबसे अच्छे जूते ठीक करेंगे, सब हमारे पास ही आएंगे. We will get all the business there is in shoe business. So with that is the kind of approach that you have to be, that you have to be good at something. Mediocrity के लिए तो यार मतलब you will fade away in oblivion if you are mediocre. People don't really care about mediocre.
No, 100%, I really agree. So yes, that's about it from this episode. Thank you so much for being here. And this talks so much about like how much they get into the whole customers journey, understanding, answering all those FAQs, very important. I'm realizing that at 24 right now, when I'm just starting out, that I should be available. I relate to so many things that Vikram has said. So yeah, again, if you can come and be there at the next pop-up, I think I'll be there as well. Please come and talk to him, experience kombucha. And to end with this amazing property where you're at, Steps Bandra, shout out to Alex for allowing us to be here.
He's a nice guy. Yes. He's a super chill guy, and the place is really cool. Either it's only the crows and the wind that you basically hear, nothing else.
And this, yes, ये थोड़ा आते जाता है, but that's the beauty of it. Like I always prefer doing something outdoors, inspiration, nature, मजा आता है,
कितने pots हैं यार, और कितने
वो भी दिखाएंगे, BTS में दिखाएंगे, कितना कुछ है यहाँ पे. So that's about it, and yes, hope to see you in the next episode. Keep watching my podcast. See ya.